Well, hello everyone and welcome. I would like to show you what I've done over the last couple days and weeks. And the first thing, as you can see, is a new startup screen. And no, the name of the game is not placeholder name, obviously, but I needed to put something there, so that's what you see. Also worth mentioning, there is now a new UI. I will show a little bit more of that when I launch into the world, but for now, you can see in the startup screen there is now a random world generated. It's a random time of day, random weather effects active, so this will change anytime you start up the game. So let's jump right in. In here, you can also see more of the new UI. You can see there's items in the hotbar, and that has a practical use since now the hotbar is actually usable. Depending on what I activate here, these things show up. I can also move them in and out of the hotbar, and they will activate and deactivate accordingly. The active mode, as you just saw, is also changed a bit. Instead of using the mouse, this is now using this anchored kind of gizmo, which is a lot easier to interpret and to help you navigate. Now, all that is, of course, only really cool if there is something to interact with. And for that, I have previously added these NPCs. And now you can actually go ahead and smack them. They don't really interact with you. They don't fight back or anything like that. But you can actually kill them. And if I don't use an equipped weapon, I use barehanded, then I have a much smaller attack radius, and I can only hit one NPC at the same time. So that is the first step towards actual real combat. I think it works quite well, and it is a good foundation. This is also networked, and I've ran tests with multiple users. It works quite well, and we will see how I can utilize it moving forward. Then another thing that I have hinted also with a short is an equipment system. I can now actually equip stuff if I use the right slots. In this case, a small iron armor. They don't really have any effects yet, but they work in a sense. They're swap out models and all that, and I can define them accordingly, but it's very nice. Another showcase for the new UI would be the crafting menu, which I have reworked quite a bit. It's not finished, but it gives you a good idea of what it could be like in the future. There's still a bit of work going into that, but overall, yeah, I think this is going into a good direction, and it feels a lot more like a game now. There's not really much of incentive yet, and one of the next things to work on would be more gathering and then actual crafting and then bringing back the build menu. This is right now very simple, and I can still place the things I could place before, but it would be, of course, beneficial to have the actual building to be more sophisticated with the houses and floors and all that. So we will see how that goes. I will certainly focus on that. And yeah, that's about it for now. Thanks a lot for watching, and catch you next time.